Hengifoss Waterfall. We did not video much of the hike itself, but it's a moderate trail around 3.1 miles round trip with around 850 feet of elevation gain.
Look how pretty, but look how far. We're going to that waterfall, look. Oh my goodness. I see little people.
We're Jenna and Jeremy, travelers, creators, and digital nomads.
As part of an exciting freelance gig, we spent 3 months in the stunning country of Iceland.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of this incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and you can also find us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Quench Your Adventure. Now on to the good stuff. We hiked up the left side and down the right, but I don't think it makes much difference either way. There's a nice little parking lot, some decent bathrooms, and a small food truck here. There are so many spots to stop, do a 360, and just take it all in. I actually did this trail twice, just a few days apart in early July, so you'll see clips from both times with slightly different weather conditions. Hengifoss is the third tallest waterfall in Iceland. The colors are beautiful with the bands of red rock, dark grays, light browns, and the greenery throughout. Thank you all so much for watching. Some spectacular places that I'm so thankful to have explored. Please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more travel videos. See ya!